What's the meaning of busy work? Busy work. Busy work.
Busy work. Busy work. Busy work refers to tasks or activities that are time-consuming and are not productive or meaningful. These tasks often have little to no real value or purpose other than keeping someone busy, and they can be tedious and repetitive. The result of busy work is usually a waste of time and energy, and it can lead to frustration, boredom, and a lack of motivation. Busy work can be found in various settings, such as in schools, workplaces, or even personal lives. Overall, it is important to recognize the difference between truly productive work and busy work to effectively manage time and prioritize tasks.